right, I think before we get cooking here, I think we should make ourselves a chocotini. What do you think?
Sounds great.
All
Let's
right.
get started.
Tell me what to do.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chocolate our rims. What we're gonna use is just a hot chocolate. Instead of salt, we're just gonna use ground hot chocolate. We have an original, and we also have our mocha. So feel free to make a mochattini, you can substitute. The first step is to heat up a cup and a half of heavy cream, whole milk. You can also use something dairy-free, like an oat milk or macadamia milk. So what we're gonna do is after we heat it up, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of our hot chocolate mix. And you can add a little bit more if you want it more chocolatey, or you can add a little bit more dairy if you like it a little bit lighter. We go on the heavier side. So after we whisk the hot chocolate, we're going to pour it in our shaker that's filled with crushed ice.
About what, a cup and a half, you think?
It's about a cup and a half. You can play around with it, depending on how many you're making as well. And then just to finish it off, we're gonna add about a shot of vodka. And again, this is preference. If you want a little bit more, we tend to do 2. So then give that a nice little shake.
Okay. I've always wanted to be a bartender.
And then pour. And you can also top this with anything you want. You can add some fresh fruit, some berries. You can also add, what do we have here? Some marshmallow.
We're gonna do marshmallows. And if you're doing any kind of Halloween parties or Christmas parties, you can decorate your marshmallow. Ours is a little ghost.
And if you want as well, you can also just pour it out with the crushed ice, or you can strain it. This is a little more refreshing. And again, we have our peppermintini as well, our mochattini.
And also do umbrella.
So get creative, enjoy, and just remember you can't really mess it up. Cheers.